Hello, my name is Katie Daigle, and welcome to a day in the life of a fee technician in Acadia National Park. We have fee stations located across the park, and I'm based at the Schoodic Woods Campground in Winter Harbor, Maine. When I get to work in the morning, I head into the Campground Ranger building and get our park passes ready for the day. One of my favorite things about working in our campgrounds is that we are kind of a jack of all trades. As more team members arrive for their day, it allows us the opportunity to walk around Schoodic Woods Campgrounds and interact with some of our visitors, answering their questions about the park. In the Schoodic Woods Campground, you can only access a handful of our reservable campsites by foot. As visitors check out of their campsites, we hike up there and make sure that each of the sites are looking good for visitors to come in and camp this evening. When everything is all set, I head back to the fee booth where I check people into their campsites for the evening and get them all set with their park passes if they didn't purchase them in advance. Sometimes when I'm done with my shift, I'll head out to Schoodic Point just to remind myself how lucky I am to be working in such a beautiful place. Thanks for spending the day out here with me. I can't wait to work with you next summer.